What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the best drain cleaner machines on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. RIDGID Drain Cleaner Machine. The RIDGID K400 boasts a robust 120-volt drum machine that delivers reliable power to tackle even the toughest drain line blockages. Whether you're dealing with 1.5 to 4 pipes, this machine gets the job done with ease, saving you time and effort. All-in-one convenience. Say goodbye to piecing together separate components for your drain cleaning needs. The RIDGID K400 comes as a comprehensive package featuring an induction-style belt motor that spins at 165 RPMs, manual controls for precise operation, and a 4-piece tool set to handle various blockage scenarios. Additionally, the inclusion of a pair of gloves ensures your hands stay protected during operation. Durable construction. Constructed with durability in mind, the RIDGID K400 features a corrosion-resistant cable drum that houses 75 feet of 3/8-inch diameter rugged C32 integral wound solid core cable. This kink-resistant cable is designed to withstand the rigors of demanding drain cleaning tasks, ensuring longevity and reliability. Easy transportation. Transporting your drain cleaner to and from job sites is a breeze thanks to the integrated transport cart with a fold-over handle. Number 4. Steel Dragon Tools Drain Cleaner Machine. In the realm of drain cleaning equipment, the Steel Dragon Tools K1500A stands out as a powerhouse designed for efficiency and reliability. With its robust construction and innovative features, this drain cleaner is a go-to solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Steel Dragon Tools K1500A is engineered for one-man operation, making it ideal for both professional plumbers and individuals tackling drain cleaning tasks solo. Thanks to its powerful 3/4 HP motor, this machine aggressively cuts through heavy blockages with ease, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning of pipes ranging from 2 inches to 8 inches in diameter. Versatile cable system. Equipped with 120 feet of 1 1/4-inch all-purpose wind cable, the Steel Dragon Tools K1500A offers versatility to handle a wide range of drain cleaning scenarios. Whether you're dealing with stubborn grease buildup or intrusive tree roots, this machine is equipped to handle the challenge. Additionally, the included cutters and augers enhance the machine's adaptability, allowing users to customize their approach based on specific blockage types. Durable construction. Number 3. VEVOR Drain Cleaner Machine. Say goodbye to costly plumber visits and take control of your plumbing maintenance with the VEVOR Drain Cleaner Machine. Engineered for performance and convenience, this portable drain auger cleaner is your go-to solution for clearing blockages and keeping your pipes flowing smoothly. Robust construction for reliable performance. The VEVOR Drain Cleaner Machine features a premium steel core cable, measuring 75 foot x 1/2 inch. Unlike traditional air core cables, our solid core design resists rust, corrosion, and tangling, ensuring durability and longevity. With higher toughness, this cable effortlessly navigates through multiple crooked pipes, effectively clearing away even the toughest blockages with ease. Versatile and efficient cleaning. Designed for pipes ranging from 1 to 4 inches in diameter, this drain cleaner machine is a professional tool for tackling various drainage systems. From sinks and toilets to floor drains, it handles heavy workloads with precision and efficiency. By owning this machine. Number 2. VEVOR 50-foot Drain Cleaner Machine. The VEVOR 50 FTX 1/2-inch drain cleaner machine. Engineered for reliability and efficiency, this electric drain auger cleaner is your go-to solution for clearing blockages and maintaining smooth-flowing pipes. Superior performance with steel core cable. The VEVOR Drain Cleaner Machine boasts a premium 50-foot by 1/2 inch solid core cable, designed to effortlessly navigate through multiple crooked pipes. Unlike traditional air core cables, our steel core cable is tough, rust-free, and resistant to corrosion and tangling, ensuring long-lasting performance. With the ability to clear even the toughest blockages, this machine delivers unmatched reliability for your drainage needs. Professional-grade cleaning for versatile applications. Perfect for 2-inch to 4 pipes, the VEVOR Drain Cleaner Machine is a professional-grade tool capable of handling heavy-duty work with ease. Whether you're tackling sinks, toilets, or floor drains, this electric drain auger cleaner is up to the task, allowing you to take control of drain cleaning tasks and save money on plumber fees. Number 1. Mophorn Drain Cleaner Machine. Are you tired of dealing with stubborn blockages in your pipes and drains? Say goodbye to costly plumber visits and take control of your sewer cleaning with the Mophorn Drain Cleaner Machine. Engineered for efficiency and reliability, This electric drain auger is your go-to solution for clearing away blockages and maintaining smooth-flowing pipes. The Mophorn drain cleaner machine comes with 2 manganese steel core cables, ensuring durability and reliability. These cables resist rust, corrosion, and tangling, allowing them to quickly navigate through multiple crooked pipes to clear away stubborn blockages. With the ability to change the rotation direction easily, you have full control over the cleaning process. Versatile cutter selection for various blockages. Ideal for pipes ranging from 3/4 to 4 in diameter, this sewer machine is equipped with 6 replaceable cutters of different shapes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.